To join new baseboards to existing ones so the transition is seamless, match profile, angle, and finish before installation. Start by measuring the gap and inspecting the existing baseboard profile closely, using a profile gauge or tracing the profile on paper to recreate the exact shape. When cutting new pieces, cut the mating ends with the same angle as the existing joint. For inside corners, use coping where the face profile of the new piece is cut with a coping saw to fit over the existing profile, and for outside corners, use precise miter cuts on a miter saw set to the correct angle. Dry fit everything without adhesive to check alignment, shimming the new piece where floors or walls are out of plumb. Small gaps where the wall is uneven should be filled later, not forced closed now. Use a compatible adhesive or construction glue sparingly on the back of the new baseboard and finish with brad nails through the face or top edge into studs or blocking for mechanical hold, sinking nails slightly below the surface. For the joint itself, run a bead of paintable acrylic latex caulk into any hairline gaps and tool it smooth with a wet finger or a caulking tool to create a continuous surface for finishing. Finally, prime and paint the entire continuous run rather than spot painting to ensure uniform sheen and color, if stain is required. Match grain and finish on samples and apply the same sealer across old and new pieces to avoid differences in absorption. The most common mistakes are cutting the wrong profile or angle, which creates obvious joints, forcing pieces against uneven walls, which causes gaps or splitting, and trying to spot paint a fixed joint instead of finishing the whole run, which yields visible sheen or color differences. If the profile is wrong, take a small sample and match it at a millwork shop or use a profile gauge to recut for an exact match. If walls are out of plumb, dry fit and shim back of the new baseboard, then fasten and caulk the reveal so the face stays flat without stressing the material. If paint finish is inconsistent, prime and repaint the complete baseboard length to unify absorption and sheen, sanding lightly between coats for a consistent finish. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects and contractor profiles so we can find professionals for baseboard and trim work. We also host a discussion community where our members share techniques, ask questions, and post photos to help both homeowners and contractors improve outcomes.